Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have access and the exact files you need. Upload 3 PDFs or docs now. Once uploaded, give the notebook a clear title so you can find it quickly. Make sure to tag or label files with short, searchable names. This helps Notebooklm index content more accurately. As you save, choose a simple folder structure. Don't pause to tweak every setting yet. Start with clean source files and move on to letting Notebooklm analyze them. Now you ask Notebooklm targeted questions. State the objective, define the scope, and request the output format, summary, outline, or step list. You should review the first response and then use follow-up prompts to ask for clarification, examples, or source links. Make sure to request citations if you need traceability. If answers are off, change the prompt frame or provide a short excerpt from your files. That helps the model focus. Iterate until the content matches your needs and tone. To finish, export your notebook to PDF or docx, or copy the polished sections to your working document. Make sure formatting matches your downstream needs. Before you finalize, verify critical facts directly against the uploaded sources so you avoid errors. If Notebooklm produces incorrect or missing details, rerun the query with a precise excerpt or re-upload a cleaned version of the source file. A key troubleshooting tip: when answers drift, narrow the prompt and include exact text snippets for context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.